For military families, buying a house is a big decision, one that comes with unique benefits, challenges, and financial considerations. You may be wondering, should we buy a home while serving? What are the benefits of and requirements for a Veterans Affairs home loan? How does military home buying compare to renting? Today, we'll break down the pros and cons of buying a house in the military, go over military home buying benefits, and explain how to use a VA home loan to make homeownership more affordable. Pros and cons of buying a house in the military. Buying a home in the military can be a great investment, but it's not for everyone. Before deciding to buy, ask yourself a few questions. Number 1, will we be stationed in this location long enough to make homeownership worthwhile? Number 2, are we prepared for homeownership costs beyond a mortgage? Maintenance, repairs, etc. Number 3, would renting be a better option based on my current assignment? Both buying and renting have advantages, but the right choice depends on your family's unique situation. Buying offers the opportunity to build equity, offers potential tax benefits, and can provide your family with a sense of stability and comfort. Renting, on the other hand, offers great flexibility. Permanent change of station or PCS orders can arrive unexpectedly, and renting makes relocation easier, eliminating the stress that can be associated with selling a home or managing a rental property. It also means lower upfront costs and fewer financial surprises since maintenance is handled by the landlord. There's no right or wrong answer, it's just what works best for you. How to buy a house in the military. If you decide that buying a home is the right move for you, here are steps you should take to prepare for your move. First, set your budget. Look at your income, expenses, and potential homeownership costs like maintenance and insurance. Next, check your credit score. A higher score can get you a better mortgage rate, so improve it if needed before applying. Then, find the right professionals. A real estate agent who understands military moves and a lender familiar with VA loans can guide you. Getting pre-approved will show you what you can afford and how to conduct a more targeted search for the right property. Once you've identified the right home that fits your budget, it's time to secure financing and close on your home. Buying a home while serving takes planning, but it can be a rewarding decision that provides your family with a sense of security and pride in ownership. Military home buying benefits, BAH and VA home loans. There are many financial benefits to homeownership for service members, making it a smart option for those planning for the next chapter in their lives. One major advantage, your basic allowance for housing, or BAH, can help cover your mortgage, reducing out-of-pocket costs. For those ready to purchase, a VA home loan is one of the most valuable benefits available. Backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, this loan offers flexible terms and competitive interest rates, making homeownership more accessible for military families. So, who qualifies for a VA home loan? You only need to meet one of these 4 requirements. Number 1, serve 90 consecutive days of active duty during wartime. Number 2, serve 181 days of active duty during peacetime. Number 3, serve 6 years in the National Guard or Reserves. Or number 4, be the surviving spouse of a service member who died in the line of duty. For many military families, a VA loan isn't just a home buying benefit, it's a tool that makes homeownership more affordable. Final considerations and next steps. Buying a house in the military is a big financial decision, and it's important you and your family consider all of the possible factors that impact this commitment. Consider these tips. Number 1, before making any big decisions, reach out to your financial advisor to ensure that your goal is properly accounted for in your financial plan. And if you don't already have a plan in place, they can work with you to build one. Number 2, identify a lender familiar with military benefits and VA home loans. Number 3, pick a realtor you like and trust who understands your family's unique needs. And number 4, stick to the criteria you establish for choosing the right property. Too often, people make emotional decisions that may not be in their long-term financial best interests. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with other service members. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.